Is it time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we will explore Google in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 19th of March, 2025, and now we are here to offer you an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since March 19th, 2025, our system has classified Google as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.99. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock is currently positioned at the lower end of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which often presents an excellent buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $160.07 is breached, it will initially suggest a more significant rate of decline. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 15.58% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 17.55% to negative 2.96%. In terms of longer-term projections, our analysis covering 12 months suggests an estimated change of 11.88%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 9.40% to 42.71% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $179.29 and $233.89. Our latest daily update for Google includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Google Stock Price After Wednesday Trading. The Google stock price gained 2% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 19th of March, 2025, rising from $160.67 to $163.89. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.02% with a day low at $161 and a day high of $165.87. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, resulting in a decline of 5.28% over this period. Volume decreased on the last day by 8 million shares, with a total of 34 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $5.6 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $207.05, while the lowest price was $146.74. Currently, the price stands 20.85% or $43.16 below the 52-week high and 85.50% or $966.76 below the all-time high on the 15th of January, 2018, when the price reached $1,130.65. Alphabet's stock, Google, is currently navigating a challenging landscape, recently entering bear market territory with shares down over 20% from their February peak. The tech sector is grappling with fear-driven sell-offs, as highlighted by industry analyst Dan Ives, who has classified Google as oversold. This perspective may attract investors seeking value, potentially supporting a rebound in share price, particularly in the short term. In a strategic move, Google has announced its largest ever acquisition, buying cybersecurity firm Wiz for $32 billion. This buyout strengthens Google Cloud's position, signaling to the market a commitment to enhancing its cybersecurity capabilities in the era of artificial intelligence. The long-term implications of this deal could foster growth in cloud revenue, positively impacting stock performance if successfully integrated. However, Google faces regulatory headwinds as the European Union issues warnings about potential violations of its Digital Markets Act. This scrutiny could lead to significant fines affecting short-term sentiments and investor confidence. The EU has accused both Google and Apple of unfair practices, escalating tensions between European regulators and the U.S. administration. Together, these developments illustrate a complex scenario for Google, combining immediate pressures from regulatory actions and longer-term opportunities through strategic acquisitions. Market participants will need to monitor these factors closely as they could significantly sway stock performance in both the near and distant futures. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 10th of January, 2025, it was reported that KeyBank assigned Google an overweight rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 7th of January, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned Google a neutral rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, it was reported that Wolfe Research assigned Google an outperform rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 2nd of January, 2025, it was reported that JMP Securities assigned Google a market perform rating with a downgrade action. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that UBS assigned Google a neutral rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Google stock a general buy rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Google. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, March 18, 2025, and so far it has risen 2%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased during the last trading day, despite rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The stock should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which could influence the near-term developments. Google stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, resulting in a more negative outlook. Furthermore, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between the two averages, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $164.04 and $179.24. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. Here are some additional signals that might interest you. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal received 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal received 15 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal received 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal received 31 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 27 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal received 31 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal received 20 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 11 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Google. Google finds support from accumulated volume at $162.76. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with a solid trading volume, the associated risk is regarded as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $4.87, representing a change of 3.02%. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.81%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Google, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 24th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.02. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Google. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google is at $185.20. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Google faces its first support level at $162.76. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Google from multiple analyst sources is buy. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 17th of March, 2025, Porat Ruth conducted an insider purchase of 140 shares of Class C Google stock units. On the 17th of March, 2025, Porat Ruth conducted an insider purchase of 91 shares of Class C Google stock units. On the 17th of March, 2025, Porat Ruth conducted an insider purchase of 68 shares of Class C Google stock units. On the 17th of March, 2025, Ferguson Roger W. Jr. conducted an insider purchase of 2 shares of Class C Google stock units. On the 17th of March, 2025, Ferguson Roger W. Jr. conducted an insider purchase of 2 shares of Class C Google stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 24.443. Overall, insiders purchased 2,685,422 shares and sold 1,623,773 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $155.93, representing a decline of 4.86%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, which indicates a medium level of risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 1 day ago. Is Google stock a good buy? Google exhibits several negative indicators, making it appear to be a candidate for selling. However, given the potential for a turnaround, it may be more prudent to consider it as a hold or accumulate position for now, while we await further developments. We have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation, upgrading it from a strong sell to a hold or accumulate candidate. After examining the volatility and movements during the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 20th of March, we anticipate that Google will open lower by approximately 30 cents, beginning trading at $163.59. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is essential to consult a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you success in your trading endeavors and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.